Elsewhere, Spencer. Those displaced are now in two shelters, one on the north side of town in a former mall, the other on the south side of the flood in a church, all victims of the raging Little Sioux River. The Spencer Chamber of Commerce director is leading the effort to shelter those people and provide them with food.
We're actually in the process of working with Red Cross, and we will start transitioning that over to them, both the tracking of individuals that are at those facilities, and then also making sure those facilities are equipped with what they need, and then working with Red Cross to get those individuals into more permanent locations. And what that is at this point, I don't know yet.
The mayor of Spencer tells us officials are still trying to put a number on the total number of homes damaged and try to figure out just how many of those can be salvaged.